Hello and welcome to this short video tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to create joint types in the B2 Suite version 2. We go to the grid settings, open the joint types and then add a new joint type. We then give the joint type and corresponding name. We choose the construction type from a construction type defined in the database. After that, we can add further information to our joint type like the manufacturer, the model, the nominal voltage, the wire cross section, the dimension length and the dimension diameter. The joint type is automatically saved and can be used for all your cable topologies. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like more information about B2 and our products, please visit our website. And if you have any technical queries about your B2 device, please contact our technical support at support@b2hv.com.